Students, before to study circulatory pathways, you should know about types of circulatory system. As you know, there are two types of circulatory system, open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Open circulation is commonly found in animals belonging to phylum Arthropoda and Mollusca, while closed circulatory system is found in animals of phylum Annelida, that is earthworm-like animals, and in all chordates there is closed circulatory system. And in the closed circulatory system there are different types of circulatory pathways found in different vertebrates as a single circulation, incomplete double circulation and double circulation. Right now circulatory pathways, देखो बच्चों अलग अलग एनिमल्स में अलग अलग टाइप का सर्कुलेशन होता है. There are different types of circulatory pathways like single circulation, which is commonly found in fishes. Single circulation usually occur in fishes. As you know, in fish, heart is two chambered, one atrium and one ventricle. The ventricle of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood to all parts of the body and also to gills. In fishes, ventricle of the heart pumps deoxygenated blood. As it pumps deoxygenated blood, this circulation in the fish is called venous circulation. Deoxygenated blood pumped by the heart enter into gills where carbon dioxide is removed out and oxygen is taken in. That means deoxygenated blood gets converted into oxygenated blood in the gills, and then oxygenated blood again get transported towards the heart, that is to atrium. So here this process is single circulation, that means blood has to pass through the heart only one time, and this is called single circulation, that is commonly observed in fishes. So second type is incomplete double circulation, which is commonly found in amphibia and reptiles. As you know, in amphibious animals and reptiles the heart is three chambered, that is two atria and one ventricle. Right atrium, left atrium and ventricle combined है, यहाँ पे ventricle separate नहीं है. So in amphibia and reptiles except crocodile, the heart is three chambered. Upper two chambers are atria and lower one chamber is ventricle. In these animals, right atrium receive deoxygenated blood. Look at this. Right atrium receive deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. At the same time, left atrium receive oxygenated blood from gills, lungs and skin. पहले ये हार्ट में आ रहा है ब्लड. राइट एट्रियम रिसीव डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड while the left atrium receive oxygenated blood from gills, lungs and skin. From both the atria, blood enter into ventricles where the blood in ventricles the blood get mixed. अब यहाँ पे पूरा blood mixed हो गया, and ventricle pumps the mixed blood to all body parts. The mixed blood when enter into gills, lungs and skin gets converted into oxygenated blood which is returned back, and again the mixed blood is transported to all body parts where it get converted into deoxygenated and returned back up to the right atrium. So this type of circulation is called incomplete double circulation. Third type about double circulation. तो बच्चों जैसे सिंगल और इनकम्प्लीट डबल सर्कुलेशन में है, जहाँ पे इनकम्प्लीट होता है, अब ये कंप्लीट डबल सर्कुलेशन विच इज कॉमनली फाउंड इन बर्ड्स एंड मैमल्स. इसी के साथ में साइड बाय साइड आपको ह्यूमन डबल सर्कुलेशन भी समझ में आएगा. पहले आप जान लीजिए व्हाट इज डबल सर्कुलेशन. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्लड फ्लो, द पाथवे वेयर द ब्लड हैज टू फ्लो थ्रू द हार्ट ट्वाइस. ब्लड हार्ट में दो बार आके वापस जा रहा है, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड डबल सर्कुलेशन. देखिए एक बार ये डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आया राइट एट्रियम टू राइट वेंट्रिकल एंड इट इज पंप्ड आउट फ्रॉम राइट वेंट्रिकल इनटू लंग्स. तो ब्लड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड हार्ट में आके वापस चला गया लंग्स में फॉर ऑक्सीजनेशन. इन लंग्स डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड गेट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड वापस हार्ट में आया लेफ्ट एट्रियम टू लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल से पंप होके गया एवोर्टा में, और फ्रॉम एवोर्टा इट इज सप्लाइड टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. सो ब्लड हैज टू पास थ्रू द हार्ट ट्वाइस, hence it is called double circulation. Double circulation is commonly found in birds and mammals where the heart is completely four chambered and oxygenated and deoxygenated blood does not mix with each other. यहाँ पे दोनों blood mixing बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा है. साइड बाय साइड आपको पूरा सर्कुलेटरी पाथवे और सर्कुलेशन के स्टेप्स भी मैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ। ट्राई टू लिसन वेरी केयरफुली। 1 to 10 पूरा 0.8 सेकंड में सर्कुलेशन कैसे होता है, जहां पे हम नंबर 1 इसको अगर रिप्रेजेंट करें राइट एट्रियम में। सो लुक एट दिस, deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body enter into right atrium through superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. From right atrium, blood is sent into right ventricle. From right ventricle, blood is pumped into pulmonary artery. Through pulmonary artery, blood enter into lungs. In lungs, deoxygenated blood gets converted into oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood from lungs enter into pulmonary veins. Through pulmonary veins, it enter into left atrium. From left atrium to left ventricle through bicuspid valve. Left ventricle pumps that blood into systemic aorta. Systemic aorta pumps that blood to all body parts. In all body parts, oxygenated blood gets converted into deoxygenated blood, and deoxygenated blood from all body parts again return back into right atrium through superior inferior vena cava. And this entire process of blood flow takes place only in 0.8 second during cardiac cycle. So this is about double circulation. इसके साथ में साइड बाय साइड वन कन्वर्सेशन आपको ध्यान में रखना है, कोरोनरी सर्कुलेशन। हार्ट का अपना खुद का ब्लड सप्लाई होता है, जो हमने वीडियो 1 में पार्ट 1 में पढ़ाई किया है, दैट इज कोरोनरी सर्कुलेशन। हार्ट को लार्ज एक आर्टरी ब्लड सप्लाई करती है, विच इज द ब्रांच ऑफ दिस डॉर्सल एओर्टा, दैट इज नोन एज कोरोनरी आर्टरी। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ सर्कुलेशन in double circulation, that is pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation is the flow of blood from right ventricle to left atrium through lungs. As ventricles, right ventricle of the heart contain deoxygenated blood. During ventricular contraction, deoxygenated blood from right ventricle is pumped out through pulmonary artery into lungs. In lungs, deoxygenated blood gets converted into oxygenated blood, which is returned back into left atrium through pulmonary veins. And this process of blood flow from right ventricle to left atrium through lungs is called as pulmonary circulation. At the same time, systemic circulation, left atrium and left ventricle consisting of oxygenated blood. During ventricular contraction, the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood into aorta, systemic aorta. From systemic aorta, blood is supplied to all parts of the body. In all body parts, oxygenated blood gets converted into deoxygenated blood, and deoxygenated blood from all body parts enter into right atrium through superior and inferior vena cava. This process of blood flow from left ventricle to right atrium through all body parts is called as systemic circulation. Now regulation of cardiac activity. अब ये खाली ओरल एक्सप्लेनेशन है बच्चों, आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि हार्ट के जितने एक्टिविटीज है, एक्चुअली देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ हार्ट, न्यूरोजेनिक हार्ट एंड मायोजेनिक हार्ट. Neurogenic heart is commonly found in animals belonging to phylum Arthropoda like cockroach, while the human heart is myogenic. Human heart and heart of mammals is found by muscular or specialized muscles called as cardiac muscles. Here all normal activities of the heart are regulated intrinsically. That means human heart is auto-regulated and hence it is called myogenic. Special neural tissues found in the heart, that is called nodal tissues, and the wall of the heart is formed by specialized muscles called as cardiac muscles. A special natural center found in the brain that control all the cardiac activities and their functions is situated in the medulla oblongata of the brain, and through various autonomic nervous system, neural signals are passed through sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system that control and regulate all these activities of the heart. When the sympathetic nervous system gets stimulated, it secretes the neurotransmitters and it increases the cardiac activities, rhythm of the heart, and parasympathetic nervous system slows down the heartbeat. This is about regulation of cardiac activity.